Okay, first I wanted to point out I got a belt. It's the wrong belt. It's not a flat belt, but it does turn the wheel and does make it play, but that will need to be replaced with the proper drive belt. And as you can see, it kind of drags a little bit. Yep. See what I mean?
Owen and right, and Mark Reed electing not to.
Anyway, I just wanted to prove that the mechanism does work. So now on to the radio.
So bases loaded, 2 down, and here is Clark. 1-0 Hillsborough.
Now, your Portland game break.
On 750.
Pitching coach Luis Pino going out to the mound. The Hops have a run on the side.
I am told that D0MA-19A242 is
Now, KDZ down. So nothing wrong with your radio.
So I had to turn it upside down. Of course you could see that, so that I could show you the drive belt mechanism. But this is it. Not too bad for as old as it is.